KD,
Question lang. Siyempre, kaka-start ko pa lang ng 2024. So,
tayo.
2025.
Yes, sorry, Alvaro.
So, ano na yung pwede mo masabi na plans for you for this year?
Ano po?
Ano yung abangan namin sa'yo for this year?
Abangan, a better KD, a better, new and improved KD, and mas magaling na po sa mga skills niya. Yun naman.
How about the projects?
Projects, well, of course, itong collab movie, directed by Direct Jill, and it's an entry for Pure Gold Cine Panalo. So, yun.
How was your experience so far doing the film?
Doon the film, sobrang gaan ng set kasi ang mga actors ko, we're very friendly, we're very close to one another. And, parang tropa lang kasi parang tropa, pati si Direct Jill, parang tropa lang.
When was the last time you worked with Alexa before? Yung project nyo, last not together kayo?
Matagal-tagal na Grabe na sa Paraiso. Yan po talaga yung last namin na naka-work namin ang isa't isa na acting. Pero we did the concert together naman.
Pero acting first, ay yung ngayon lang ulit, di ba?
Ngayon lang ulit, yes, ngayon lang ulit.
So hindi ba parang mas ilang na mag-work together sa acting, parang gano'n?
Hindi ako ilang kasi alam ko sa sarili ko na mas ngayon na nakikita ko yung difference ng pag-acting ko sa teleserye at ngayon. And I could say na mas may chemistry kami ni Alexa.
Mas matagal na rin yung love team nyo together. Siyempre, your fans asking, ano na ba yung status nyo together?
Masaya. Alam naman nila na nakikita nila na nagpo-post kami. Me and Alexa always hang out. Kahit hindi kami nag-work together, we're always together and then we're always eating out. Mag-hangout lang kami, mag-video games lang kami. Ganun. So,
ID, si Alexa rin, iba yung transformation niya, di ba?
Oo, yeah.
Kayo ba nag-workout together?
Minsan lang, kasi taga-Pasig siya, taga-Paranaque ako. So, hindi ako makakabunda dyan minsan or workout with her. Kasi yung gym niya iba, tapos yung gym ko iba din. So,
How do you motivate each other to keep yourself fit? and
positive encouragement lang. Kapag may nararamdaman siyang masama, like, feeling na hindi niya kaya or hindi niya kaya sa fitness or she feels na she's not enough. Sinasabi ko sa kanya, no, you're doing great sa fitness na to. Itong fitness is not a one-way journey up. It's up and down. It's a roller coaster din. May mga times na magkakaroon ka ng hindi mo mababuhat yung dating weight or makakakain ka ng medyo madami or tapos feel mo na bloated ka. Pero it's all a part of fitness.
Pero when you work out together, ang ginagawa niyo?
Calisthenics or calisthenics. Ayun. Ayun lang.
May abangan bang I mean, yung tandem nyo dito sa collab, may abangan kilig or intimate scenes or parang...
Intimate scenes
I mean,
Pure gold to.
hindi, by pure gold pero...
Hindi, walang intimate scene. I mean, kilig scenes, yes, pero intimate no. I'm not ready for that. Like even if I'm doing some a bit of bodybuilding, it doesn't mean I'm gonna do intimate scenes. Or it doesn't mean Alexa's getting fitter. It doesn't mean she's gonna do intimate scenes. We do it for ourselves.
Thank you.
Thank you.